By now, you guys have seen those T-shirts that Uganda football fans have really been showing off on the internet. And you know, it didn't take long before the local organizing committee came out to say we shall not allow such things, we cannot. I think they did not even allow them to go beyond we shall not allow people like, as who? Who are you? Where have you been? Are you done to regulate the way we have our fun? CHAN is happening. And I'm here to find out if the Ugandans have complied, you know, for the sake of decency, for the sake of keeping the game good and safe. Now, you can imagine being seated behind this woman, and in your head you're wondering, is there a problem with the football equipment? Isn't it working? Does she want to change the situation? Does she give out numbers? If I called her, will she ask me, who gave you my number? Well, I don't know. But first of all, what about predictions? What are the predictions? I know okay, our boys have performed better than expected.
I think it's going to be definitely a 3-0 for Uganda today.
Okay.
Okay, me, I think we're going to win 5-0. Yeah, man. What's your prediction?
Kati fe tetujja kasawe ne batukuba era leero tubazinsera mbada ndede nyaupeni Dangote.
Maybe 2-0. Yeah. We have to win. We have to win. You can't fail. 2-0.
The Uganda Cranes told us they are going to be departing by 12 something. It is 1 already and we are still waiting. But anyway, it is about numbers, so yeah. Let's wait.
This is innocent. From my side, we are going to manage like 1-0. It's going to be a 1-0 win. But we are going to manage. We love you all. See you at Nambole. One love. Uganda Cranes, oh yeah.
So the first train to go has come and people are lining up. Okay. And so we are filling up the coaches and well, they're opening up windows because it was pretty hot, but we are eager, we are waiting for what is going to happen. We are the first slot. You can imagine the match is beginning at 5, but we are the first slot and we are glad to be.
Going to be there in less than 20 minutes.
Yeah, in 20 minutes time we shall be there. You can imagine. This guy says Uganda won and
South Africa.
Which Uganda are we playing? Which team? We beat South Africa. Yeah. By the way, those who keep asking about the Uganda train, we have premium leather seats with a flattened metallic carpet. There is enough space for everybody to breathe and smile and, you know, to be patriotic. Isn't that enough? Well, I did a video on this train before. If you want to know what I really think about it, you can go and watch there. But today we are being patriotic and the SGR is being built, so yeah, we are heading the right direction, I guess.
I'm predicting a win.
Okay.
1-0. Favor Uganda.
Okay.
Yes.
We have been waiting for like 35 minutes or so, but it's kind of understandable because this is a train on demand, not a train on schedule. So it is until we fill up, that's when we can leave. And for the moment, we have to contend with. a ref on that train. Yeah, that's football. Having fun and enjoying with some pressure, which is expected of today's match, because those who know the team we are going to handle really know the pressure that our boys will be on the field with. I was talking to somebody here, and like for the previous matches, if they ever lost, they would level up when these guys are already outside of the stadium because they couldn't handle the pressure they were going through watching the match. That's football for you. There has been some common talk about the tickets. Some of you might not understand this. I was sitting to a colleague of mine who was suffering through the shed, looking at their ticket where they said it is queuing. But we have ticketing solutions in Uganda. I don't know why they could not get people who are really proven in this thing. So they would look at the queue they are in and it would tell them like 30 minutes. Then like 2 minutes later it would say 40 minutes. Then we don't know, it went to 1 hour, it went to 4 hours. So around here people are swapping stories of how, did you succeed? The other said I had to buy it from somebody else because apparently the word on the ground was that there were a lot of scalpers and resellers who were waiting. And I also had a rumor that the ticket was, you know, when you're buying it from others, it's double the price. Yeah, we live in a capitalism, you know, economy. Well, it is getting hot. I have on a sweater and I don't want to remove it because, you know, some of you have been in Uganda and you remove off a sweater, it gets cold. You put it back on, it gets hot. So I wonder when we start, I think a lot of air will keep blowing. I'm told on some side the environments, so the environments will blow in. Let's wait and see. I see the excitement is peaking, it's going up. It's not peaking, we are just beginning. So the waiting was actually longer than the journey itself because it was a smooth and eventful sort of thing, apart from, of course, the sellers. But if you've been in football, that is part of the package. They might be banned outside, but they might be banned inside, but inside, well, you have to put your ear to that notice at any time whistles. And by the way, the guy was blowing. It was kind of nice because he was actually chasing the men out of their seats as the female. Okay. Well, predictions.
Today we are going Uganda 2, Senegal 0.
Okay.
0.
Okay.
2-0.
Okay.
Tomorrow Senegal is leaving Uganda.
Okay.
Tomorrow, have to go back. I swear.
Okay.
Take care.
Just when I was about to say our t-shirts, they have messages still we are reading. And so the train is going back to collect some more people. As there are different people in different states of, how do they call it, normality or something like that. And well, that is football. People are excited for the coming match. Football, you cannot know unless if the match was fixed. Prediction.
2-1. 2-0 in favor of Uganda.
Okay.
2-0 in favor of Uganda.
Okay. you people won't say that Uganda wasn't patriotic enough. You know, people, the vibe you see over here is people who are sure of a win, in as much as it's tight. So I've walked around. If you have seen the footage, of course that's not all that I can show you. There's a lot, and a lot of people are coming in. The day is actually still early. The grumbling is the tickets. It has been a common story. Those who know, I don't want to repeat again. Now, the guy you see over the other side is advertising actually a public toilet. He says 500 for the short, the long one is 1,000, and the extra long one, you know, the more liquid type is 1,500. And he says if you ever try to make a mistake of getting the one of 1K and they discover yours was more. Of course, right now people are rushing because it's about time to start. Yeah, the latecomers run faster. That's a Peter saying. So the match has officially begun, but the lines when you see them outside here are extra long and people are rushing. Goodness. This thing is blown out of proportion whereby a few people who are put on those skirts really go viral, and everybody assumes that everybody puts on those t-shirts. And with what I've seen is that a lot of people are putting on the normal t-shirts, and the comments that you hear from the back are the ones making me laugh. But the thing is that the majority of people usually put on the normal jerseys, and the few of those that are taken and go viral, everybody assumes that people this side have really gone on rampage and they are putting on those t-shirts. No. Why the committee and the organizing committee rush to begin saying things again, giving it more relevance, is what I don't understand. But here things are very, very, very extremely calm and fine, very organized. The security is here, and we are looking eagerly and waiting for whatever turns up.
Cross, and the ball lands beautifully. Chance here, shot it!